guys, Dr. Dex here. Today we're back on a project that we had originally completed, except we were waiting on the Regal Ideas rail pods, which we now have. So we pretty much have installed everything on the upper deck that we can. Dustin is hooking up the lights right now so we can test them before we start installing glass. So that's our next step, is actually getting the glass lights checked. The pods are in, we're gonna check the lights, and then we're gonna start installing the glass. We're waiting for confirmation from the homeowner if they want us to do the railing on the lower deck or not. So we're gonna mock up a couple panels for them on that as well. So hey, if you like what you see today, don't forget to click that subscribe button, hit that bell icon to be notified when we're putting out new content. All right, so basically, like I said before, we were out here yesterday. We kind of got some supplies on our trailer down here, and it's a little bit of a challenge on this driveway. It's pretty steep access. So we have all of our Regal Ideas rail pods installed to a certain point, and we're just getting all the electrical hooked up right now so that we can test all the lights, make sure all the LEDs are lit. We don't have any issues there. Once we know those are good to go, then we will start installing glass, and you'll see the process on how we do that. So I think that's the next step, and we're just sitting tight while we're waiting for the electrical to be hooked up. So the next step in installing our crystal rail is we have to get the glass sections to elevation, and there's a built-in height adjustment in the Regal Ideas pod. And so if I take my level and you run it across here, you can kind of see that this side of the glass is lower than this side. So what I'm going to do is adjust. I'm not worried about level this way right now. I'm just worried about elevation of the glass. So I need to bring this up about 1/8 of an inch to make these fall into plane. So that's what I'm going to do right now. And all you have to do is put your drill in reverse. I have this 90-degree bit and an extension of the right size. It's 5/32 is the size of the hex head that you need, the Allen wrench. I'm going to put that in the socket, and I'm just going to run this in reverse. And now you can kind of see where this part right here is going to start raising up. And pretty soon it's going to hit the glass and start raising the glass. And then I just check my top again, and I'm almost there. I just got to come up a little bit more. There we go. That might actually be a little too... That's pretty close. I'm going to call that a win. And then on to the next one. Now we're going to start leveling the glass. Now that we have all of our elevations set, we have to make sure all the glass is in line with each other. We can level every panel, and you could look down the line and it still might look crooked. So we have to go through and do some final tweaking before we put our beauty caps on the ends of these. So basically there's two 5/32. Is that what it is, Nas?
Yeah.
5/32, or this is a millimeter, 4 millimeter hex heads, one in the top and one in the bottom. And those 4 adjustments hold the glass in place and also allow us to level it up. So we're gonna start on this end and we're just gonna start working around. Noz will be on the outside of the deck, I'll be on the inside of the deck, and we'll start cinching this stuff together to make it completely stable and very rigid. Right now I can take this one's a little stiff right now, and move it, and we'll still be able to do that. We're also out of level, so what tells me the way this works is he would bring his top screw in and I would bring my bottom screw in, and that's gonna push this glass. Oh, excuse me, that was wrong. I'll put my top screw in and he'll put his bottom screw in a little bit, and it'll bring this thing into level, and then we start snugging everything else up, and then we'll start cinching once I'm happy with the level of the glass. More? A little bit more. Oops, 1, 2. You bring your top in? For now. We might change it later. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. If you like what you saw, don't forget to click that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when we're putting out new content. And don't forget to like our videos. If you learned a little something about Wriggle Ideas today or the crystal rail system, don't forget to leave us a comment below. Let us know how you think about it. You can go through our Instagram page and see a lot of the pictures of this and videos of this rail system lit up at night. That's where it really comes out and becomes more beautiful. Thanks for watching so much. Hope you enjoyed this video today. Have a great day.